Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Kawasan Fall here in Bohol. Again, this is the Kawasan Fall here in Bohol. I came here with my wife, our son, and her friends and children also came along to this fall. As you can see, this is a beautiful place to be, especially when it is so hot like this. This is where you want to be to experience this waterfall. Wow, this is spectacular. These are small cottages here. I don't know if you could rent this or I can tell, but this is the waterfall here, people. This is amazing. Ooh, this is amazing. This is amazing. Oh. Hello. Hi. This is the waterfall in the distance. And let me go further. Wow. This is a river, a little bit of river here. This is the waterfall. This is the little bridge to use to go to this waterfall. Look at how this is nature. Nature is at its best. Look at this waterfall. Look at how spectacular. This is amazing. Oh yes. Look at this waterfall. Actually, this is my first time in life actually seeing a physical waterfall like this. I have always seen waterfall, but it's in the movies, on TV. Well, it's my first time to see a physical waterfall. Wow. Look at this. Look at nature at its best. Cross a little creek here to get to the other side. This is very cool. This is my family hiking with. This is amazing. Wow. This is how this waterfall looks. You can see people. What a waterfall. This is called Kawasan Waterfall. Baby, they say what is the name of this barangay?
No, just call it Kawasan Falls.
No, when I asked him,
In Balilihan.
this is Balilihan?
Yeah, Balilihan.
You sure? Okay, my wife just told me this waterfall is located in Balilihan. Balilihan. Let me walk with you to see how it looks like here. It looks quiet. It looks cool. Look at this. Awesome. Nature. This is what I like. You can see the forest. Look at the hill. This is the mountain. Like this is a huge hill, almost like a mountain. Wow. This is spectacular. This is good to see. Wow, people. this amazing waterfall. Look at this. Look at this amazing waterfall. And look how closer. Look at folks. This is amazing. This is nature at its best. You're going to eat before you get in the water? Go and swim now. Okay. Y'all go swim now, let me video. This is amazing. This is the environment. This is the location. This is how it looks. These are food in here, snack we brought, to help ourselves as we swim in this waterfall. This is part of the water here. While coming, I saw the guy on the kayak, riding the kayak, coming and petting the kayak. This is amazing. Can you imagine where this water is coming from?
You go, take a picture.
He is taking our picture. We're taking a beautiful picture here.
Look, that's Mama. Okay, let's go na. Go na. Ako tan tabunan rin imong pwede kay tabon imong paan ana ato.
This is the waterfall here. Yeah, go. Oh, where's my trouser? Oh, okay. My wife's gonna take going into the actual waterfall. You can see them walking their way to the waterfall. Making their way to the waterfall. Wow. Okay, it was nice watching in here. You can subscribe. Again, this is the Kawasan Waterfall here in Malaysia.